Viewers, three reports. Firstly, Tigray Defense Force is continuously advancing along B-22 highway. What is the position of Tigrayan forces on B-22 highway? Secondly, both Ethiopian army and Tigrayan forces are claiming control of Kobo town. Who is in control of Kobo? Viewers, and lastly, Ethiopian government urged all African countries to boycott session of United Nations Human Rights Council to be held on tomorrow, Friday. Viewers, after taking control of Gashina, Lalibela and Philakit, Tigray Defense Force is continuously advancing towards B-22 highway. Tigray Defense Force backed news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached Debre Zabit. If Tigray Defense Force is in control of Debre Zabit, then next target is Nifas Mucha. Viewers, as per reports, Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies are retreating back from Debre Zabit. You will be remembered in August, Tigray Defense Force had taken control of Gashina, Debre Zabit, Nifas Mucha, Gofgof, Sali and Gasse, located along B-22 highway. But when Tigray Defense Force had reached the outskirts of Debre Tabor, then Ethiopian National Defense Force took control of Gashina and cut the supply line. After that, Tigray Defense Force retreated back. Now Tigray Defense Force is advancing along B-22 highway again and continuously. Now let's see Tigray Defense Force succeed in taking control of all major cities located on B-22 highway and reach A3 highway or not. Viewers, if we talk about Kobo town, Ethiopian allied news sources are claiming that Ethiopian National Defense Force along with regional forces have retaken the control of Kobo town. No picture of Ethiopian army soldiers or regional forces soldiers has been shared from Kobo town so far. Some pictures were shared from Zobel, which is located to the east of Kobo. As per reliable sources, Ethiopian National Defense Force and regional forces soldiers have reached the surrounding areas of Kobo, but they haven't succeeded in entering Kobo town so far. Viewers, it seems Ethiopian National Defense Force, Afar forces and other allies are advancing towards Kobo from Afar side. They have taken control of Moran and Zubal located in the east of Kobo. Yours, now let's move to the third report. The Ethiopian government has urged all African countries represented at the United Nations Human Rights Council to boycott a Friday session. The United Nations diplomats are expected to discuss alleged atrocities in Ethiopia's northern Tigray region in this session. Viewers, remember, Ethiopia has been in a deeply conflict that has pitted the Ethiopian government against Tigray People's Liberation Front since November last year. Both sides to the conflict have been accused of involvement in those atrocities. But the Ethiopian government has accused Western powers led by the United States of working to undermine its sovereignty as alleged atrocities committed by the Tigray People's Liberation Front in Amhara and Afar regions have gone without condemnation from the powerful countries. Whereas the United Nations Human Rights Council is set to discuss Tigray war in a session slated for Friday. But Ethiopia is now urging African countries to boycott the meeting, which it has described as a political game by some Western countries that are opposed to Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's government. Viewers, thanks for your precious time.